Hello, welcome to our lesson today for home learning. Let's have a look at our learning intention. We are learning to make observations and identify change. So let's have a look at our picture here. We've got someone wearing equipment and having a go with an experiment and wearing goggles and protective clothing. They are scientists, so we're going to be scientists having a look at change today. So have a look at Snowy, the fox's elf. He's not got stuck with his phonics or balancing today. He's got stuck coming back from the North Pole. He was going off to tell Santa and the elves how well behaved not just foxes but squirrels, hedgehogs and owls are at Willsborough School. Because our season is changing from autumn to winter, it's getting really cold, so the snow and the water turn to ice. So his sleigh is frozen. I wonder, can we help Snowy? Absolutely. So let's have a look what we can do. Let's have a think. I wonder if we leave the ice, will it stay the same? Or maybe we can help it change. Do we want Snowy to be stuck? No, we want him to be dry, warm and safe. So have a look at the pictures and have this time as thinking time. You might want to pause the video and think, what can we do to help Snowy? Can we give him time? Maybe predict how long it will be? Maybe all of the morning or all of the night? And when we wake up the next day, will it melt away and disappear? Can we add a blanket to keep Snowy warm? Will that help speed up the melting process? Can we put him by a radiator somewhere hot in our house, or put him in a hotter room, maybe your kitchen where there's an oven? Will that help melt the ice quicker? Let's make our predictions. So here I have a sentence, our STEM sentence. I think the ice will. And you can stop the video with a pen and paper and you can draw what will happen. Maybe Snowy in ice, he will stay the same, no change. Maybe you'll draw a picture of him dripping wet, as he will be really wet once the ice is gone. Or perhaps maybe it will disappear and evaporate really quickly and there will just be Snowy, nice and dry, and there will be that change. I'm going to also have a go at writing a sentence to match. Now, I think the ice will melt after a long time. So you might say, you might be a bit more precise and say, like I said earlier, after a whole night's sleep and a whole day of home learning, the ice will disappear, it will melt. You might say, I've added a blanket to speed up the ice melting and it is a lot less of time. You might say, it stayed the same, the ice never disappeared. Perhaps it takes even longer than we expect. So I'm going to leave it there. There are predictions, and when you come back we are going to see the result and what has happened to Snowy. See you soon.